السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم أصدقاء اللغة العربية. Today's lesson is a really important lesson because it's talking about present verbs in Arabic. Present verbs in Arabic are really important because we use it to understand the two other tenses, the past tense and the command tense. So today we will concentrate on learning the present verb with he and with she. I mean how to use it in masculine and how to use it in feminine form. So bring your paper and write the notes down with me and try to repeat with me the verbs, because some verbs has a long vowels and we need to train those long vowels, because it's common mistakes to make long vowels shorter than it's supposed to be. So quickly, just let's start. أنا الأستاذ محمد. This is the Arabic Learning Academy. To start, what we have to say? Yes, exactly. Bismillah. Just say Bismillah to start. Let's go. Bismillah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First verb we have here is يعطي, and all verbs in this lesson will be present verb. Okay? So يعطي. Repeat after me. يعطي. I hear somebody there say يعطي. No, not This letter is عين. يعطي. يعطي is to give. For masculine or for feminine? It's different. Yes, different. يعطي for masculine. When you see the present verb start with the ya in the beginning, so it's for هو, not for هي. So for هي we put those dots over the letter. So تعطي instead of يعطي we say تعطي. So ta instead of ya. So هو يعطي is giving, and هي تعطي. هي تعطي. She gives or he gives. هو يعطي. هي تعطي. So this picture is wrong. Yes, it should be تعطي. Yes, or if we gonna change the picture, it will be تعطي to يعطي for masculine. يعطي. هو يعطي. هي تعطي. هو يعطي. To give. يأكل or يأكل. هو يأكل. هي تأكل. هو يأكل. He is eating. هي تأكل. She is eating. يبكي. Can you guess يبكي for masculine or for feminine? Yes, it is masculine, but the picture here is girl. So هي تبكي, not يبكي. هو يبكي and هي تبكي. يحمل. Repeat after me. يحمل. هو يحمل and هي تحمل. We change the ya to ta. هي تحمل. She is carry. هو يحمل. He is carrying. هو يخرج. هو يخرج وهي تخرج. هو يخرج. هي تخرج. يدرس. يدرس. هو يدرس وهي تدرس. تستدي. يدرس. يدرس or يدرس. يراسل. يراسل texting or messaging. يراسل for هو or هي. Can you guess? Yes, for هو يراسل. Okay, for هي should be what? تراسل. هي تراسل. Very good. يرسم. يرسم to draw or to paint. For هي should be ترسم. ترسم. هو يرسم وهي ترسم. Very good. يركض to run. يركض. هو يركض. For هي, can you help me? هي تركض. Very good. هي تركض. يستمع. Repeat after me. يستمع. Oh, I hear somebody pronouncing عين wrong way. He just said يستمع. Is that correct? يستمع or يستمع? Yes, يستمع. This is عين letter. يستمع. يستمع. يستمع is to listen. For هي تستمع. Yes, very good. هي تستمع. Next verb. يستيقظ. 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 يستيقظ is to wake up. For هو or for هي? Yeah, so it's هو. it's هي. تستيقظ. هي تستيقظ. تستيقظ. هو يستيقظ. يستيقظ. If it's so long for you, just divide it. After سكون, divide. Yes, then then stop. يستيقظ. يستيقظ. So 3 or 4 parts. Yes, then then قظ. يستيقظ. Next verb. Where is it? Yes. يسقي. يسقي. يسقي to irrigate or to water. يسقي like يسقي الوردة, يسقي الشجرة, or يسقي الإنسان. You can give water to somebody as well. So يسقي. Can I ask يسقي for هو or for هي? يسقي. Yes, for هو. For هي should be تسقي. Correct. هي تسقي. يشاهد. يشاهد to watch. هو يشاهد. What is for هي? هي تشاهد. هي تشاهد. هو يشاهد وهي تشاهد. يشاهد to watch. Next verb. يشرب. يشرب. يشرب is to drink. يشرب ماء. يشرب عصير. Drink juice. Drink water. يشرب milk as well. Correct. هو يشرب. What is for هي? تشرب instead of يا. Bravo. Correct. هي تشرب. ها ها ها. Laugh. هو يضحك. 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 Is this a girl or boy? Girl, so يضحك correct? No, it should be تضحك. 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 Very good. يغسل. Is this one correct? Yes, he's boy. هو يغسل. هو يغسل. يغسل. If she's a girl, so تغسل. Bravo. Sing. يغني. هو يغني. يغني. Can you remember this little W? What does it do? Yes, duplicate the letter. So يغني. هو يغني. For هي to. تغني. برافو. هي تغني. يفكر. يفكر. Don't forget the shadda. Shadda is this little W which is duplicate the letter. يفكر. هو يفكر. What is for here? To. تفكر. هي تفكر. Next verb. يقفز. 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 هو يقفز. is jumping. يقفز. What's for here? تقفز. Very good. So هي تقفز and هو يقفز. يقود. هو يقود. Is he هو? No, she's girl. So تقود. Bravo. هي تقود. Instead of we put these dots over here. So تقود. هي تقود. She's driving. What's happening? يلعب. يلعب. هو يلعب. هو يلعب. هو يلعب. For here تلعب. Put these dots over. تلعب. هي تلعب. Yeah, so tired after that lesson. ينام. ينام. هو ينام. This is long. Make it longer. ينام. Don't say ينام. Please. This is alif. Look, very tall like a tree. Yes, ينام. Stretch the alif. ينام for هو. For هي. For girl. Put this dots over. تنام. تنام. Repeat. تنام. Yes. ينظر. ينظر. To look. ينظر. For هو or for هي ينظر? Who can say? Very good. For هو, but the picture is girl. Should be what? تنظر. Very good. تنظر. هي تنظر. هو ينظر and هي تنظر. Great. And that was our lesson today. Just want to remind you that we are providing online tutoring for kids and for adults over Arabic Learning Academy. Just type www.earabiclearning.com and book your free trial lesson with our native speaker teachers from Egypt and enjoy the free trial lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and see you in next lessons. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. مع السلامة. مع السلامة.